Recently, I found about this crazy trick that can make you thousands of dollars online. It works in all countries around the world. And it's absolutely free. You just need to copy and paste some text and use the trick, which I'm about to teach you in this video. You don't need any social media followers, you don't need to film any videos, you don't need to create a website, and you will not have to sell any products. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Now, the website that we will be using today is goldslideshare.com. This is a place where people from all over the world share their articles. Now, don't worry, you don't have to write articles here, you do not need any writing skills. And you will not have to invest any money into this. Now, how exactly you will be making money with this website? Well, you will find out, and trust me, it's going to be a super simple way. So literally, anyone can do this. As long as you follow each and every step from this video. If you skip something, then I'm sorry, but this will probably not work for you. But if I pull up my tool right here, called SimilarWeb, that's going to show you how many people are using this website on a monthly basis. So, over 100 million people use this website, which is really good. And it means there is a lot of money to be made with slideshare.net. Now the first step, which you need to complete, once you come over to this website, is to click on login button, right here. So you can create an absolutely free account. You can do so by connecting either with your LinkedIn account, or you can connect your Facebook account. Or you can simply create an absolutely free SlideShare account by entering your email address manually. And your first and last names, which will obviously take a little bit more time. And that's why I'm just going to connect it with LinkedIn. In order to do that, I just need to click login with LinkedIn. And that's what I recommend you to do as well. Once you create an absolutely free account, this is how it's gonna look like. And as you see, it took me less than 5 seconds, it was just one click of a button, and now I have access to all of these different articles. And now quite simply, in order to start making money with slideshare.net. Once you create an account, you will need to start sharing your own articles here. But don't worry, you don't have to write those articles. Because I'm going to give you some absolutely free tools, which will be doing everything for you already done for your articles, for absolutely free, which you can use on this website, and make money. It will all make sense in a minute, just follow each and every step from this video. In order to get those articles, you will need to head over to plrplr.com. Once again, that's plrplr.com. And PLR stands for Private Label of Rights, which means that on this website, you can get hundreds of totally free articles, which you can use, and have full rights to do whatever you want with them. You can resell them, you can post them for absolutely free on other websites. You can make changes, you can customize them, you can do whatever you want. These are all containing PLR license. And here on the right hand side, you have all these different categories. So you can get articles from categories like AdSense, advertising, affiliate marketing, all the way to biking, Black history, boating, boats, book marketing, and so on and so forth. There are literally thousands of articles which you can use from all of these different articles. So, you will never run out of articles to make money from. Now for the sake of this video, we will be focusing on the category called affiliate marketing. You can see it right here. So all I need to do is just click on affiliate marketing. So you select the category. And that's going to give you all of these different articles, which you can use free of charge for. Let's say, for example, I want to use this article right here. What I need to do is, I just need to click on the article. And that's going to take me over to this page, where I can copy the entire text. So I will select all of these, I will right click on it, and I will copy this. Now, you'll need to open up some Word document. So you can paste your entire article right here. As you can see, it looks really nice. But now, I just need to add title to this article. So I can go back to the original page. And I can copy the entire title, right click on it, copy. And paste it on here. Now, I can make that a little bit bigger, just to make it look better, and to make it look more appealing. This is a great article, which I can now use. But before you save it, and before you publish it on SlideShare, you need to insert affiliate links to some offers. So you can actually make money on a complete autopilot. In order to do that successfully, your next step is to come over to Digistore24.com. This is an affiliate marketplace where you can grab thousands of different offers, thousands of different products to promote and make loads of money. As it says, more sales, less work. It's a really great platform that's available all around the world. And it's absolutely free. All you need to do is click on the Start Now button. It's free to sign up and create an absolutely free account. Once you create a brand new account, this is how it's gonna look like. This is the dashboard where you can track your earnings. For now, it's going to say $0 because you made no sales. It's a brand new account and you'll start making money soon. So now, place your mouse right here, where it says Marketplace. And then click on All Other Offers on the Affiliate Marketplace. So you can select some offer and grab your own affiliate link. Now here on the left hand side, you're going to find loads of different offers from all of these different categories. And you can promote any product you prefer. But for the sake of this video, we will go through internet marketing and a business. Because the article is about affiliate marketing. And we will try to find this offer right here. The reason I will be promoting this offer is because it pays really well. And of course, you can promote any offer you prefer. As you can see, all pay different commissions. But I'm going to use this one. So I'm sending people to this page, where they can sign up. And of course, after that, it will get upsell to some other programs. And I'm going to make commission out of that. But it's a lot easier to attract people with a free training than to try to sell them something. And that's why this strategy really works. If you're learning a lot on this video, smash the like button, and don't forget to comment down below. So what you simply need to do is, you need to click on the Promote Now button. And as soon as you click the Promote button, that's going to give you this link. This is your own affiliate link, which you can use and make money from. So I can now copy this affiliate link, I can go back to my article, and insert it between those lines. So I can say, for example, best way to make money online, / grab your training here. Then just select this text, right click on it, click on hyperlink right here. Paste your affiliate link and then click OK. And now, this is how it's gonna look like. Now whenever someone clicks on this, once they start reading the article, they can see the link here, especially when they see it's absolutely free. A lot of people end up clicking on that. And you saw that on SlideShare, we have the potential to reach over 100 million people every single month. I just copied this, and I'll paste it here once again, just to make sure they won't miss it. As you can see, this looks really nice. And now, I can save this by clicking on the file, Save As, and just save it to my computer. Now you can come back to the slideshare.net. And as you can see, these articles are getting hundreds of thousands of users, sometimes even millions of views. So why not use advantage of that? Just click on the Upload button right here. Then click on Select Files to upload. Double-click on your Word document. Write a brief title, brief description. So maybe I can say, read this article, and get access to one of the best make money online trainings. After that, I'll just select the category, which is, in this case, going to be business. I will write about a few tags, just to reach more people, and just to reach targeted people, who are interested in making money online. So I can type, make money online, affiliate marketing, work from home, and different keywords like that. After that, just hit publish, and you're done. Now you have the potential to reach hundreds of thousands of people, who can read your article, go through the article, and see your link. Once they click on that link, they can sign up to an offer. And if they buy the training, you can earn big commissions. And you can use this for all of the different categories that are available here on plrplr.com. You have all these different articles, which you can use free of charge. And that doesn't necessarily need to be affiliate marketing. You can use any category you like, and just find a suitable offers here on Digistore and request for an affiliate link. In most of the cases, they're going to give you an affiliate link instantly, so you don't have to wait around for weeks or months. Then just post that on SlideShare. It all takes less than 5 minutes, and it's going to stay on SlideShare forever. So you can make money on complete autopilot again and again, and build passive income instantly. And with basically no previous experience, it's really easy, and you should definitely jump on it. Alright, so that's it for this today. I hope you got some value out of this video. And if you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications on, so you will not miss out any of the new content. As always, thanks for watching, and see you all in the next videos.